Hi guys, this is Shiva. I am going to explain International Monetary Fund. What is IMF and what is its history? IMF is also known as fund. IMF is different from World Bank. World Bank operates microeconomics for the purpose of development of the country's construction and some other crises. IMF maintains balance of payments and the sustainable developments. It was conceived at the United Nations Conference in the Bretton Woods, placed at same place of World Bank, Bretton Woods, New Hampshire, and the United States in July 1944. The 44 countries at that conference sought to build a framework for economic cooperation to avoid a repetition of competitive devaluation that contributed to the Great Depression of the 1930s. At that time, the Great World War II happened. Countries were not eligible for membership in the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. It's an institution of the World Bank. These countries were not eligible for this IBRD. They were members of the International Monetary Fund. Member countries of 189 member countries were in the International Monetary Fund, each of which has representation on the IMF Executive Board in the proportion to the financial importance, so that most powerful countries in the global economy have most voting power in the IMF. What are the objectives of the International Monetary Fund? Foster global monetary cooperation, secure the financial stability of the member countries, facilitate international trade among the world, promote high employment and sustainable economic growth in the developing countries, and reduce the poverty around the world. These IMF and the World Bank mostly for the purpose of reduce the poverty around the world. What are the functions of the IMF? It provides financial assistance to the countries at the time of balance of payment crisis, provide financial assistance to the member countries. IMF surveillance, it oversees the international monetary system and the monitors the economic financial policies of the 189 member countries. IMF main function is to capacity development or sustainable development of these developing countries. It provides technical assistance and training to the central bank like Asian Development Bank and Reserve Bank, and training given to the financial ministries, tax authorities, and other economic institutions that helps countries to raise public revenue and modernize banking system, developing strong legal frameworks and improve of their governance, and enhance the reporting of macroeconomics and financial data of these developing countries. These IMF mainly focuses on macroeconomics. World Bank focuses on microeconomics like construction and development of the developing countries. Main role of India in the IMF. India has occupied special place in the board of directors of the IMF. Thus, India had played creditable role in the determining the policies of the fund. This has increased the India's prestige in the international circles. International regulations of the IMF in the field of money has certainly contributed towards expansion of international trade. India had to that extent benefited from the fruitful results of this IMF, mainly in the time of post-partition period and the Indo-Pak conflict in the 1965 and 1971. At that time, India had serious balance of payment deficits, particularly with the dollar and the other hard currencies of the developed countries. It was the IMF that come to reduce the rescue from these balance of payment rises. The fund granted India loans to meet financial deficits and arising out of the Indo-Pak conflict 1965 and 1971.